Vlog 17 on the Marlborough Sounds, and it is the morning of the 1st of February, and it is very beautiful. And we've walked about 2 days on the Marlborough Sounds now, on the Queen Charlotte soundtrack, and I'm just amazed by its beauty. It's nice. And our next stop will be Havelock, where we'll pick up a food parcel, and then we'll be off to the Richmond Ranges, which will be our biggest challenge yet, with some heights of up to 1700 metres. So it'll be beautiful, but definitely come visit the Queen Charlotte track, Queen Charlotte Sounds. It's beautiful, awesome.